Hi and welcome to this communication skill course. In this course, you're going to learn how to elegantly guide a conversation toward agreement and the key skills of effective communicators. You're also going to learn how to prepare presentations that are going to be interesting and understandable to all people in the audience. You will learn how to make a well-formed speech, how to act on stage or in any conversation so that people can trust you, how to reframe and utilize responses from other people and form their answers in a way that is beneficial and meaningful to everybody. You're also going to learn about meta programs that will tell you who the person in front of you is and how you should talk to them in order to make them agree with you or to convince them of something. For example, if someone is a so-called matcher who matches and uses the exact words you tell them, and your goal is to make them feel secure, you won't use words like fear or insecurity because these people will bounce off of the words you tell them. If you have a mismatcher in front of you, on the other hand, you will know that whatever you say, they will find a counterexample. If you say that's right, they will say no, that's not right, If you know meta programs, then you will approach every person quite differently so that the two of you can lead a meaningful conversation. The topics from this course can be used in almost all situations, in education, being a speaker, talking to different people, family, friends, people on the street, and most importantly, when negotiating, preparing conferences, presentations, and masterclasses. Because those skills are going to help you in almost any area of life, I wanted to share my skill set with you by making this course. I'm sure you will enjoy it and that the techniques you will learn in this course will become second nature to you. I hope you're as excited as I am, and I'll see you in the first lesson.